These are the directions for the vocabulary and sentence building activities in Nearpod. Under the title, Writing with Sight Words and Vocabulary Words, you'll click on the Nearpod Student Pace Daily Practice Vocabulary Matching. You will again type your name in the first box, then click on the arrow to the right. This is the title page. We will be practicing words that you have been reading in your books. On this page, you will match the picture to the correct word by clicking on the word, then the picture. For example, I would click on backpack, then I would find the picture of the backpack and click. That was wrong. Backpack and backpack. That would be right. If you were correct, they turn green. When you're finished finding all the matches, click on the arrow to the right, and you will practice using the writing tool on the bottom. I am a blank. I am a student. So I would take my writing pen, find my color, and write the word student in the blank. And then practice reading. I am a student. Click to the arrow on the right. And these are your breakfast words. Matching. Then we have sentence writing again. You'll continue with the pages in the same way. Have fun!